How's it going, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Finally got the last part for my PC build so I can get that done today, and hopefully it'll up the quality of the moto vlogs for you guys. So basically, I've been debating on how I wanted to film this since I'm definitely not an expert in PCs by any means. This is going to be the first PC I'm building, so I thought a good way to do it, I'll kind of do a time lapse, just a quick time lapse of putting it all together, and then I'll review how I think it works for editing the 4K and the 2.7K res stuff. That way you could kind of see how well the parts work. I don't want to try to pretend like I know stuff about PCs. There's a lot more videos out there of people that know what they're doing with PCs building them, so I thought I would just kind of do it in that style of video. Also, guys, the merch is back out shipping at a regular rate now since COVID. Got the hats, got the hoodies, also have shirts, long sleeve, all that type of stuff. Here's the website if you guys want to go check it out. I appreciate everybody supporting the channel. Also, we're almost to 4,000 subscribers. I'd really appreciate if you guys could help me get there. It helps me out a ton, doesn't cost you guys anything. But yeah, let's get inside and get started on the PC. Alright, I just got done building the PC and I'm in the process of editing that video so I can kind of go over how I think it's working and how I think the parts work. So the only thing I didn't really show you guys was the wiring and like all the wiring management because it was kind of confusing. Like I said, it's my first time doing it, but basically it was just finding where to plug everything in. It was all labeled pretty well. Just took a little bit of playing with it to get everything plugged in the right spot. But now that I have the PC up and running, it is working amazing for 4K editing. I filmed all of the PC parts in 4K and the playback is perfect. There's no buffering, and I'm also watching a music video while I'm editing the 4K. No problems at all. It's working amazing. I'll have all of the links to the parts I use for this PC build down in the description. Thanks for tuning in for today's video, and this PC is going to help a ton with editing the motovlog, so the content's going to get much better. I appreciate you guys watching the whole video, and I will see you guys in the next one.